Welcome to Maharashtra 360, your quick weekly roundup of the stories shaping India's largest economy. From policy and infrastructure to trade, farming and social change, here's what's making news and why it matters. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis led State Cabinet has given the green light to a package of metro approvals aimed at easing urban congestion and accelerating mobility across Maharashtra's big cities. The Cabinet sanctioned Metro Line 11, the Mumbai Metro 4 extension at a project cost of 23,487.51 crore rupees. In addition, loan financing was cleared for Phase 2 metro works in Thane, Pune and Nagpur, including Pune Metro's Lines 2 and 4 extensions and Nagpur Metro 2 to speed up construction and connectivity. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis praised Prime Minister Modi's far-sighted vision behind the sweeping GST rate rationalization, while Deputy CM Eknath Shinde termed it as a sweetened Diwali gift for the people of India. The GST Council approved a major overhaul of the indirect tax regime by reducing the number of slabs.
ज्यावेळी जीएसटी रोल आउट झाला त्यावेळी लोक म्हणायचे की अडचण होईल, पण ती झाली नाही. आताही मला विश्वास आहे की याच्यामुळे व्यापाराला खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात फायदा होईल, व्यापार बूस्ट होईल, नवीन रोजगार निर्मिती होईल, लोकांवरचा बोजा कमी होईल आणि अर्थव्यवस्थेला प्रचंड मोठी चालना मिळेल. आणि म्हणून हे सेकंड जनरेशन रिफॉर्म्स करण्याकरता मी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी यांचे मनापासून आभार मानतो.
The new GST regime will have two of the four existing slabs, a 5% slab and 18% slabs, while the 12% and 28% slabs has been abolished. The government has also introduced a new 40% slab dubbed the sin tax. This includes tobacco products, caffeinated drinks and also super luxury goods. Many items will no longer have any GST and this includes insurance schemes.
ये फैसला आज तक के इतिहास में पहली बार हुआ है और इसलिए ये लोगों के लिए बहुत बड़ा निर्णय है. इससे छोटे व्यापारी, लघु उद्योजक, इनका भी फायदा होगा. यहाँ पर चलन वलन बढ़ेगा, अर्थव्यवस्था बढ़ेगी, इकोसिस्टम एक बढ़ जाएगी, मजबूत हो जाएगी और ये देश की अर्थव्यवस्था भी मजबूत होगी.
In a big move, the State Cabinet approved amendments to the Factories Act 1948 and the Maharashtra Shops and Establishments Act. The aim is to strike a balance between operational flexibility for industry and stronger legally backed overtime compensation and consent protections for workers. Now, this move brings Maharashtra in line with several other states that have already raised limits. Daily work hours have been extended from 9 hours to 12 hours. 30 minutes rest breaks are mandated after 6 hours instead of the earlier 5 hours. And private sectors like IT and hotels, the law will now cover only establishments employing 20 or more workers, up from the current 10. Deputy CM Ajit Pawar rolled out a district-level development push under the CM Samriddha Panchayat Raj Abhiyan. Under this, Gram Panchayats will compete for Village Performance Awards highlighting sanitation, green projects, women's welfare and sustainable growth. The state has allocated 22,000 crore rupees for the CM Samriddha Panchayat Raj Abhiyan, a 100-day campaign set to begin on September 17th. Under the new initiative, villages will be judged on sanitation, environmental initiatives, women and child welfare and sustainability. A 245.20 crore rupees performance award pool will reward the best village level outcomes. In a key meeting chaired by Chief Minister Fadnavis, Maharashtra's Vision Document 2047 was reviewed. The CM said the strategic roadmap must guide policy for the next 25 years. Deputy CM Eknath Shinde, Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar and senior secretaries were present at this important meeting. Deputy CM Shinde remarked that the vision crystallizes how Maharashtra should look 22 years from now. The meeting featured presentations on the vision for sectors including water resources, energy, higher and technical education, school education, skill development, social justice, industry, services, information technology, finance, health and tourism. And those were all the news updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.